Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set alarm clock on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is click the digital clock on your itel S15 home screen. And okay guys, here you can see on the top the alarm clock icon and the word clock icon and the stopwatch icon and lastly the timer icon. And okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set alarm clock on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to alarm clock icon. And okay guys, here you can see below the plus sign button. And okay guys, you all have to do to add the alarm clock, okay, click the plus sign icon. And okay guys, here, okay, you can set the time, okay. I set into 5 a.m. in the morning. And okay guys, you can set the repeat into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or even Sunday. And okay guys, you can also change the ringtone by clicking the ringtone. You can select this by scrolling down or up. And okay guys, also you can turn on or off the vibrate by switching off the switch button on the right side. You can turn on again by switching on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, also you can add the label by clicking the label. For my example, I set into plugging. And okay guys, after you set the name of the label, okay, click OK button. And okay guys, here you can see the label. And okay guys, after you set the alarm clock, okay, you'll have to do is click the save button below to save the alarm time in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set the alarm clock on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.